What's up, y'all? What's up, y'all? Okay, so I am back with another video. This video is gonna be kind of like an unboxing and like an initial review, because I ain't put it in the hair yet. Okay, this hair was sent to me from Allie Grace, and you know it comes in. I know what packaging it come in. I just can't show y'all because my address is all over. You know, it's on different labels. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, it's like opening a present. And my birthday is coming up, so this is like my early birthday present. Inside, they got like a little card, little Allie Grace card. What's inside? A coupon. Oh, it is. You save $10 by doing something. Basically, it's just like a little card to show you the maintenance tips and things to keep in mind when you're installing the hair, how to take care of it. Some cute lashes. I don't know how to put these bitches on, but these are very nice. This would be cute. These are really cute. Those are so cute. Make me want to go. And our bundles. So we got my foot, and you know, a lot of closures are like bigger than like the average 4x4, like maybe even 5x5. It's hard to tell. So let's see when I open it. We got our 18, 20, and 22. So here y'all can kind of see. I'll keep all on one level. Yeah, so you can see the size difference. So it's pretty, it looks like it's pretty true to size. So, just rip that off. So this is what the hair looks like out of the packaging. And then so you guys can see their tag a little bit better. I don't know if y'all can tell. You see it's Allie Grace though, and 100% human hair. So, but yeah, they also have their maintenance tag on the back. Let you know how to keep your shit up. Oh wait. It just has like their social media information, where to follow them, you know, how you can contact them, and just, you know, like a little thank you for choosing Allie Grace. So yeah. So my initial review of this hair will probably be kind of hard to determine since it's not in my head yet and I haven't worn it. But there's still certain things to look for when you first get the hair. You want to make sure it doesn't shed too much, you know what I'm saying? And I'm pulling kind of hard. I don't really have anything. So no shedding so far, which is pretty good because I don't need blonde hair to be shedding, and I plan on eventually coloring this, so you don't want any hair to shed little too much. I don't want it to shed at all, but some hair is just gonna shed just because. But I would rather have like a minimal amount, you know, if it's gonna shed. So yes ma'am, yes ma'am. It looks really pretty though. Like it looks like it has a really good shine to it. I don't know if that's because of my ring light or what, but let me see. Yeah, I feel like it has like a really pretty good shine to it. And then the volume is pretty good. I feel like for one bundle, it doesn't really feel like skimpy. And then you can see how thick the weft is. So that's something to be mindful of, because you don't want skimpy or like thin hair. And yeah, these are so cute. Oh my gosh, I hope to use these, but I don't know how to, so somebody else is gonna have to, you know. Hope I'm not late for work. Oh my god. I haven't eaten. I slept. I haven't eaten. Didn't drink nothing. No water. No milk. But yeah. So this is the 20. And then lastly, we have, well, not lastly, but of the bundles. Next we have the 18-inch. Feel like a bundle lady. And then lastly we have the closure. This is what the closure looks like. You know what I'm saying? There you go. There's the back of it. I feel like you can kind of see a little bit of like where the black knots were. I mean, where the how the knots look before they were bleached or processed. But it doesn't, you know, it doesn't look like bad or anything. I don't think. It don't look too bad. And it's gonna be sitting here, you know. Just in case there's people out there who like, whatever, let me show y'all again. That's what it looks like. Forgot to turn the daggone light back on. Hopefully that doesn't make too much of a difference. If you guys are interested in, you know, seeing like a watercolor video, another watercolor video, I know, but I love watching them. So if you guys want to see like a DIY of how I would do like a watercolor, just let me know in the comment section below. And yeah, even if you don't, I still might make it. Okay, so yes, that's gonna be coming soon. One more time, one more view. One more view. That concludes this video. Thank you guys so much for watching another one of my videos. I hope to see you soon. You know what I'm saying? Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and turn your post notification bell on so y'all will know when my videos are coming through. You know what I'm saying? And yes, enjoy the rest of your day. Okay?